AWS provides you an ability to temporarily assume another IAM role. In this video, you will learn how to switch to another role. Before you can switch role, you need account ID and exact role name of the role you want to switch to. Your administrator also needs to grant you permissions to switch the role. Let's get started. Click on your username or role name in the top right corner to switch role. Click Switch Role. Specify account ID. Specify the exact role name. I specified engineer and my AWS account ID, since the role I want to switch to is local. Let's specify engineer as display name as well. Click Switch Role. Note how top right corner shows the display name I specified in the previous screen. Congratulations! You just learned how to switch roles in AWS. Let me quickly also show you how to come out of the engineer role. Click Display Name in top right corner. Click Switch Back. Congratulations! Now you can switch roles and go back to your original user or role across AWS accounts. Thanks for watching. Check out AWS certification books, linked in pinned comment, and suggest us topics for videos.